right, next up we have a 2-pack facial roller kit. So one of them is the Cool Ease roller. It helps firm and lift your face. You put it in the freezer for 30 minutes and it gets really cold. It helps minimize tension, headaches, discomfort, and redness. Helps tighten your skin, reduces puffiness and dark circles. And so that's one part of the kit. And then you also get the Derma Glow Microderm Needle Roller. So it's designed to help skin appear firmer, more refined, luminous, and youthful. Naturally tightens and firms skin. There's 192 stainless steel needles on the head. It is FDA listed, chemical and drug free. It does come in a secure sterile pouch when you get it. So it is completely sterile, and then you have a nice case for after you use it to put it in. The 2-pack is item 61100K, and you get both of them for $19.99.
Good deal.